Hello, this is an unboxing and user guide video for COMICA Seekcom S1 series wireless intercom headset system. For the Seekcom S1 2.4G version, we offer 3 kit options: 1-set version, 2-set version, and 5-set version. Let's see what comes in each kit. 1-set version, 2-set version, and 5-set version. First, let's take a look at the structure of the headset. On the front of the unit, you'll find the mic stick, microphone capsule, adjustable headband, battery compartment switch, 3.5mm port, and the host guest switch button. On the left side, you have the working indicator light, broadcasting button, external antenna, mute PTT button, volume up communication mode button, volume down Bluetooth reset button, and the OLED display screen. On the back, there's the power denoise button and a USB port. On the right side is the speaker. In this video, we'll walk you through the essentials of the Seekcom S1 5-set version and help you get started in just a few minutes. Let's begin with the battery installation. Slide the latch downward, insert the battery, close the cover, and lock it into place. Next, let's confirm the host or guest mode settings. Slide the switch on the side to host for the main unit, or to guest for the secondary unit. Now let's power on the headset. Press and hold the power button to turn the unit on or off. A single tap switches between ENC denoise and AI denoise. The device is paired by default, but if the connection is ever lost, repairing is simple. Press and hold volume up and volume down together to enter pairing mode. Pairing is complete when the host indicator light keeps on blue and the guest indicator light keeps on green. Next, let's look at PTT mode. Press and hold the PTT button to speak and release it to mute. If the headset is muted and you want to return to normal communication, tap the button once. You can also mute by flipping the mic stick fully upward. Lower it again when you're ready to talk. For volume control, the S1 offers 6 levels. Use the volume up and volume down buttons to adjust, and you'll hear a short tone with each step. If you're operating in a large or open space and the signal becomes unstable, press and hold volume down to activate enhanced mode. It enhances the signal strength and helps prevent lag or dropouts. The host unit can connect to your phone via Bluetooth for app control. If you change phones or run into Bluetooth issues, press and hold volume down to reset the Bluetooth connection. The OLED display gives you a clear view of key information: signal mode, noise reduction mode, battery level, host guest status, and volume. Now let's go over the 2 primary operation modes. 1. Standard mode. You can connect a wired headset to the 3.5mm jack for communication. 2. Recorder mode. In this mode, the 3.5mm port can output audio to a recorder or a wireless mic receiver, allowing you to monitor sound directly. On the S1, the host unit has broadcast mode enabled by default. Double-tap the broadcast button to turn the broadcast function on or off. Guest units do not support the broadcast function. The ducking function can only be enabled or disabled after switching to recorder mode in the app. The USB port supports both charging and digital audio transmission. Simply connect it to a tablet or laptop using the included cable, no additional setup required. If the battery runs low, you can charge it directly through the USB port, or remove it and use the charging dock. When wearing the headset, adjust the headband to a comfortable position and aim the microphone toward your mouth for optimal clarity. The Seekcom S1 is compatible with the COMICA Audio app. Search COMICA Audio in the App Store. Enable Bluetooth on your phone, place it close to the host unit, open the app, and add Seekcom S1. Within the app, you can configure a variety of settings: recorder mode, 1-to-1 tall, overall PTT, voice prompt language switch, self-test, ducking mode, and more. You can also disable operation tones or temporarily mute individual units. The interface is simple and intuitive, giving you full control over your system. Bluetooth connection upgrade. Open the COMICA audio app and connect your device. Then go to the device homepage and select Settings icon in the upper right corner. Universal Firmware Upgrade. Thanks for your watching.